Hey there, Prairie Plant Girl here. It's time to harvest some broccoli. So let's get the cover off and have a look at the broccoli. These are green magic broccoli. And I have 2 that are ready to harvest. Looking beautiful. I keep them under netting to help keep the cabbage moths or cabbage looper caterpillars off of them, because those insects will also eat the broccoli and get into it. So let me show you how I harvest it. With broccoli, you can just come down with a knife or snips and you can just cut the stem off, just like that. When you leave the rest of the stem intact like this, you'll get side shoots that come off, and you can already maybe see a few starting in here, and they'll get you some more heads. They'll be a little bit smaller, but you'll get some more broccoli off of it that way. So you can use the leaves in soups. The stems are delicious just raw or in soups as well. But there's the main head of broccoli. Let's grab the next one over here. Just climb underneath. There's a beautiful head of broccoli. So if you can keep a net on it tight but above the plants, so the cabbage moths and loopers can't, lay their eggs through the netting and onto the plants, then you can have nice clean broccoli. Should be no little worms in there. And again, you can see the little shoots starting to come up. They'll give you small broccoli heads as well. There's my first broccoli harvest of 2024, and I couldn't be happier with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.